Hey guys, welcome to this video lecture. In this video lecture, we are going to see the concept of self-join. So we are going to use Sakila database for it. And let us select from customer table. Select star from customer. So this is the data of customer table. So now we are going to check the record where first name equals to last name. Okay, so we are going to take the join on this condition and only on customer table. So let us see how we can write the query. So I'm just going to say select a dot customer ID comma b dot customer ID comma a dot first name a dot last name comma b dot first name comma b dot last name. And when I do that, I just need to define a and b, and we define them as from customer A inner join customer B on a dot last name equals to b dot first name. So here this query is called as an inner join query, and it is also called as a self join because both the tables here involved in the join condition, they are the same tables. Basically, this is the same table and we are creating two different aliases for the same table. So on the left hand side, we have customer, which is addressed with the alias A. And on the right hand side, we have customer table, which is addressed with the alias B. So A dot last name equals to B dot first name. So I'm just going to go ahead and execute this query, and it is going to give us the required data. So this is the output. So here a dot last name equals to b dot first name. So here this is the a dot last name and this is the b dot first name. So we can just say as a last name, and finally here as b first name. And let me execute the query again. This time we will have the custom named columns. So here A's last name equals to B's first name. Okay. So we have these many records where this condition is there. So this is how we can take the join on the same table, and it is known as self join. So self join could be any type of join. It could be an inner join, or it could be a left outer join or right outer join. It could also be a simple join. You can just mention here where, and it is going to become an old style inner join. So this is how we can take the self join. Thanks a lot for watching this video lecture. Do let me know if you have any question, query or comment. Thanks a lot once again, and I will see you next time.